This is an electric nail drill the seller sent to me to give an honest review, so let's take a closer look. This is a great nail kit, and it's also reversible, so it can be used by left or right-handed people. It's very effective at grinding the nail, and you can use it for polishing. There's all different nail heads, so it's really up to you of what you want to use it for. And the overall package of it is very beautiful, really well put together, and just all in all, I think you'll be super happy with it. It's great to add to your nail kit. It has various speeds, so really it's up to you with how strong or weak you want it to be on your nails. It has a lot in this little package. I think you will be thrilled with this nail kit.